99% of people sound completely unprofessional when they try to open a bank account.
Wait, really? Isn't it just saying I want to put my money here?
Absolutely not. If you say that, bank tellers will get confused and you might end up paying hidden fees.
Oh no, I definitely don't want that. What should I say instead?
Today, you'll learn the 3 essential secrets to talking like a native speaker at the bank so you can save money and sound confident instantly.
Okay, what's the very first thing I need to know?
You must know the difference between a checking account and a savings account.
I just call them both bank accounts. What's the real difference?
A checking account is for your daily expenses, like buying coffee or paying rent. It comes with a debit card.
And a savings account?
That's for holding money long-term to earn interest. To sound natural, say, "I'd like to open a checking account, please."
So, I'd like to open. Instead of I want to?
Exactly. "I'd like to" is polite, professional, and standard native English.
Got it. I'd like to open a checking account. What's the next step?
Next, you must ask about the catch, fees. Never assume a bank account is free.
How do I ask about that without sounding rude or cheap?
Ask this exact question: is there a monthly maintenance fee?
Monthly maintenance fee, okay. What if they say yes?
Then you ask the magic question: how can I waive this fee?
Waive? What does waive mean in this context?
It means to remove or cancel the fee so you pay $0. Usually, you can waive it by keeping a minimum balance.
Oh. So if I keep enough money in the account, they won't charge me?
Yes. Or, you can set up direct deposit. This is our 3rd key learning point.
What is direct deposit?
That's when your employer sends your paycheck directly into your bank account automatically.
That sounds super convenient. How do I ask for that?
Just say, "I'd like to set up direct deposit for my paychecks."
And will they give me a debit card right away?
Yes, ask, "Does this account come with a debit card?"
Awesome. Can we practice this in a real conversation? I'm still a bit nervous.
Let's do it. I'll be the banker, you be the customer. Ready? Go. Hello, welcome to Apex Bank. How can I help you today?
Hello. I'd like to open a checking account, please.
Excellent choice. We have our standard checking. There is a $10 monthly maintenance fee.
I see. Is there a way to waive that fee?
Yes, if you maintain a minimum balance of $1,500, or set up direct deposit.
Great, I'd like to set up direct deposit. Does this account come with a debit card?
Yes, it does. We will mail your debit card within 5 business days. I just need your ID to get started.
Perfect, here is my ID. Thank you so much.
And cut. That was absolutely flawless. You sounded like a native speaker.
Wow, I felt so confident using those exact phrases.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video, go back to our roleplay, and practice saying the girls' lines out loud.
Or, type in the comments below, what is the difference between a checking and a savings account?
We read and reply to every single comment, so don't be shy.
Let's quickly recap the 3 key points we learned today.
1. Say, "I'd like to open a checking account." 2. Ask, "How can I waive the maintenance fee?"
And 3. Ask about setting up direct deposit and getting your debit card.
Subscribe for daily English tips. We post a brand new video every single day to make you fluent.
See you tomorrow. Bye.